The legend is back, and it's better than ever. Mazda is bringing back the iconic RX-7 in 2026. And it's packing insane power, cutting-edge tech, and that unmistakable rotary roar. Buckle up, because this is one sports car you won't want to miss. Modern design, classic soul. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 is a masterpiece of automotive design, blending retro inspiration with futuristic flair. Think sleek curves, aggressive aerodynamics, and a nod to the classic pop-up headlights, but with a modern twist. This car doesn't just turn heads, it demands attention. Performance that honors legacy. For over 30 years, the RX-7 has been the king of lightweight, high-revving thrills. The 2026 model stays true to its roots with an all-new rotary engine. Now enhanced with hybrid technology for explosive power and better efficiency. Expect instant throttle response, spine-tingling exhaust notes, and track-ready agility. Precision handling like never before. The RX-7's lightweight chassis, perfect 50-50 weight balance, and adaptive suspension make it a corner-carving monster. Whether you're on a mountain pass or a racetrack, this car sticks to the road like glue. Driving the RX-7 isn't just about speed, it's about emotion. That rotary engine scream, the telepathic steering, the pure adrenaline rush. It's a mechanical symphony for true car lovers. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 is set to redefine the sports car world. Will it live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments. Are you ready for the return of the rotary legend? Stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, keep driving the dream.